Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the podcast. Thank you. For those who attended game night last evening, thank you so much. We had Eric, Secret Swap, and Scott from Alter on, and you know what? They put out some excellent information while we played. I think it's safe to say that Eric and I both lost pretty handily. So per our agreement, we will both be minting our earliest shows and giving them away on each other's programs, details as soon as we have them, meaning as soon as we choose our victims and mint them. Some takeaways in case you don't want to watch the replay. Alter continues to partner with everyone. Their token's going to be dropping on January 20th, so might want to keep an eye out for that. Alter is in consolidation mode, and apparently that means consolidating every entity that will benefit from private communication. Scott is just knocking it out of the park. So kudos to an aggressive team. I love seeing that kind of action. And from Eric, I got one word for you. Ready? Stargate. You probably haven't heard about that yet. I hadn't, but it's the project that will be bringing Secret Swap tokens over to the IBC bridge on Cosmos. So for those who are not happy with the selection on Osmosis, that selection is about to get much larger. Today, sort of a victory lap for the Osmosis. As we mentioned on the thumbnail, Osmos was hovering between $4 and $5 the first time we started talking about it in earnest. And it's now hovering between $8.50 and $9. It's whatever that is, between $8.50 and $9.50. And you have to admit, regardless of your level of tribalism, that is impressive growth considering the bearish market we are in right now. Not only has it grown, it has sustained. Normally, the price action would be enough to at least make it worth a look to most investors. But that's not even the sweet spot for this one. The sweet spot, as of right now, is the 92% APR you get just from staking it. There aren't many yield farms that will give you that kind of a return. There's plenty of high-risk ones with the impermanent loss that comes with the 3-digit APRs, but your average is 40 to 50%, pretty much all over the place. Osmosis gives you 92. I'm not even upselling it. That's the thing. Do the math yourself. Use a compounding interest formula with a weekly compounding time period. Even though with Osmosis you can do it daily because the gas on Cosmos, it's not even a factor. Start with $1,000 and see what you will get by the end of the year. And your total assumes that the raw value of Osmosis doesn't change, and it has 2x'd since December. Just saying. And it's done this in a bear market. Just saying. And do you think that's the best part? Do you think that's the best? That's my radio voice. Do you think that's the best part? That's not all, folks. The best part is what Cosmos is doing with it, and that is its intent to bridge more and more tokens. Kava is going live on Osmosis in about a week. Lum Network is coming. Vigilum is coming. Secret Swap is coming. This thing has just started, and they are effectively changing the game for everyone. I get the tribalism, all right? I do. And most are waiting for the mighty Bitcoin to recover so their projects go to the moon. But Atom is going with it, and Cosmos is outpacing damn near everything right now, and Osmosis just keeps hitting new all-time highs. I think it is a fantastic investment. I am in it super heavy, and I couldn't be happier with how things are going. I don't fear the price action in the mornings, all right? I cannot wait to see it. And as we always do on this show, man, I'm not advocating for you to invest in it. I'm just telling you that I did. And see this? That's the look of happy. Anyways, your money is your business. But if you are looking for a new project to get some funds into, you can do worse than Osmosis. That's what I'm getting at. It is a use case token with a very high use rate. Check it out for yourself at mapofzones.com, all one word. There's no need at all to take my word for it. Just go look. If you need to know how to get some funds over here to the Cosmos, we made some step-by-step videos, but to put it simply for those who, get it, buy Atom on Coinbase, transfer it to your Kepler wallet, then go to app.osmosis.zone, and you are there. It's not exactly hard. Stake it at 92% and forget it. You just did very well in crypto. When the market goes bullish again, or if the market goes bullish again, this is crypto, man. It might not ever happen. But if it does, I cannot wait to see. I just can't wait to see where this one goes. So that's it, guys. Until next time, please be safe. Please be smart with your money. If you're not familiar with osmosis, do a little bit of diligence. That's all I'm saying. Take care.